Always a good day when our pal Jeremy Parsons is on, and Sip Niagara is coming back next weekend, and JR is the brains behind it in the canteen with us this morning and has created an awesome little spread. And that's something, look at this, look how that looks.
This only took a couple of minutes, you know?
Right?
I'm actually kind of surprised, just kind of pops out of the box.
Good stuff, good to see you.
Good to see you.
Okay, so this is how many years?
This is our third year.
Third year.
Yeah.
Biggest ever?
Biggest ever. We've got the most vendors, we've got the biggest footprint, we've got the most activation spaces, we've got the most food, we've got the most Caesar bar ingredients, so we're breaking our own record yet again.
Do you want to do that? Do you want to start there?
Sure,
okay,
let's do it.
So what is the record and what are you trying to break?
So last year we did 206. This year we are breaking it. I don't know the final number, but we're doing over 206 unique ingredients. That is the key word.
Because that's the thing about a Caesar, you can do whatever you want,
absolutely.
Right? Okay.
And we've got it. So you start off, we've got 22 different rims that you can choose from. And then you go into your hot sauces. We've got all 7 flavors of Walter's Caesar mix.
So they have 7 flavors?
They have 7 flavors. So, and some you can't even get. And so they're bringing them out for us so that everybody can make up whatever they like.
So you make it yourself or you order the Caesar that you would like?
You travel around the 65-foot bar to add in all of your ingredients, and you go to our amazing mixologists who add in whatever spirit you want.
And where are some of these hot sauces coming from?
So about 80% of these are actually from Ontario. Yeah. 90% are from Canada, and then the other 10% are from the islands and from all over the place. But people are just like wanting to get involved and show off their amazing hot sauces, which is great.
Okay, fix that baby up. What hot sauce you putting in there?
So this is a lime and cilantro from Maritime Madness at a PEI. Then I've got this great little smoky barbecue sauce from Neil Brothers, again, Canadian.
Barbecue sauce in a Caesar?
Oh,
wow,
dude,
okay.
I know. Well, because we're going to show you what you're going to do.
Put the
a little bit of Worcestershire in there, and then we're going to shake it up and strain it out. So that's what happens. You put on your rim, you give the glass over, we pour it out, pour in your alcohol, and then we strain it into your glass so you keep your rim.
This is not, so it's Sip Niagara, but where is it?
It's in Jordan Station in Charles Daley Park, so it's gorgeous. It's right on the shores of Lake Ontario, literally on the shores of Lake Ontario. We take up 140,000 square feet for our festival.
Look at the color of that, huh?
Isn't that gorgeous?
Yeah, wow.
I know, so you get that nice sort of almost like a purpley color from the steak sauce. Okay. So it's awesome, and then you get the aromatics and the whole bit.
Is it one of those things where you buy your ticket to get in, and then you're at each different spot, like drink tickets? Sample tickets? Okay.
Yeah, so we've got everything. We've got like charcuterie cones from Venetian Meats. So a great way to be able to pair it up. So if you don't feel like making up your own skewer, pick up one of those.
Okay.
I know how tasty.
Right. Okay. So what's the second drink you're mixing up here for us?
Second drink, I'm doing a spicy and savory Powers Sour. So I know, it's a little bit funky, but it's really, really cool.
I put the apron on just to do nothing. So way to go, Jared.
But it looks pretty.
Yeah, exactly.
You know,
That's the key. Okay. So what's that there?
So this is Powers Irish Whiskey.
Oh, Powers, okay.
So we're doing 3 different types of sours. And so I've got lime and lemon juice, all fresh squeeze. I'm gonna add this in. Now normally I would put in simple syrup in here, but instead I've got a sweet heat blueberry hot sauce from Purple Tongue. It's hot. Okay. But it also has some really nice sweetness to it.
Can I give it a little?
Of course you can. The other cool thing is, and we're just gonna shake it just a little, I know, it's a little bit. Do you want me to do the rest of the segment?
You think blueberry, you're just like, how hot can it be? Oh, wow, okay.
And then we've got, check out the color on that. So we got the nice purple in there, and that's a nice sweet heat sour.
Cool.
So we're trying to show it, like, we're truly an elevated food and drink festival. If you're looking to find out like new ingredients, fun things to eat, it's spicy.
Oh, is it? Yeah, because
it is.
Oh, but okay. It's spicy, but you can deal with it. Not like it's just not straight that.
Because you've got the sweetness in there as well.
Okay. The other thing is too is the times. So it's like it's during the day.
It's noon to 7 on Saturday and Sunday. So I mean, we get the best sunsets ever. It's incredible. People last year were posting all these beautiful scenes on the shores, and it's just awesome.
We got one more thing that we want to show off.
We certainly do.
What's this here?
Okay, so we've got
40
a big
seconds left.
reveal.
All right. Can I do this?
Not only do we have the world's largest Caesar bar,
these chicken wings,
but we've also got amazing chicken wings with wings up. So we're doing a do-it-yourself chicken wing bar with their sauces and their rubs and everything, so that when you do finish up your Caesar, you can put on a beautiful Mac Daddy skewer that I'm gonna have to hold on to because I can't let it go.
Where do people get tickets? We're running out of time.
You're going to sipniagara.com, or you can get all the information on our Instagram, sip.niagara. Every single day we're revealing more and more of the vendors that are gonna be there. Pierogies, we've got all day mimosas, everything.
Jared. Good luck.
Cheers,
Sip
man.
Niagara next weekend.